good bullish break across indices and commodities, specifically Dow Jones and Nasdaq, now trading at the highs and in fact has seen 34,600 and 12,050 levels. Now, what to expect today? Which position we should take in order to profit? Before I come up with my next analysis before the US cash session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. Now, on the hourly charts, consider this building. This is a tower which is created on a very good base. It is consolidated here and see this extremely bullish move. Now, it is trying to get a pullback on the downside. How far it can go? Yes, there is a potential that it may again trade below 12,000 levels and stretch a little on the downside. Yes, 11,850, 11,800 should be a very good support, but we have to remain extra cautious here. On the upside, see on the hourly charts, it has shown you a reversal indication here, which means that only buy entry should be about 12,050 levels, where above which if it trades, certainly you can expect a little more rise. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic was extremely overbought on the early charts, looking downwards. The MACD is bullish, trying to convert. The RSI is overbought. So everything is overbought on the early charts, and hence a pullback cannot be denied. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, see previous candle was 30-40 points. This candle may again give you 40-60 points, and hence 11,950, 900 levels, 920 levels cannot be denied. Below that, certainly little more drop till 11,850 and below levels can be expected. Now see, the previous drop has started from here at around this zone, that is 11,840. It has achieved higher highs from there. Potentially, if it drops below 11,840 levels, certainly more bearishness can be seen. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. It must converge. RSI is overbought too. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see single candle with such an extreme bullish move that it is, recovered everything from last multiple hourly candles, 3-hour candles. Now this building appears to be unstable unless it has a counterweight to balance it. Look at simply a counterweight to balance it. At least we may see, even if it has to trade bullish, it may try to get a little pullback on the downside. Only buy confirmation is about 12,050, else potentially we may expect it to hit 11,970, 950, 920 at least, and below that till 11,850 cannot be denied if it continues to trade in this direction. Directional movement extremely divergent, extremely bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought. The MACD is extremely bullish. It has the highs there. Potentially a convergence from here cannot be denied. The RSI is trading overbought. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, see one bullish candle, second bullish candle. In fact, this candle is half the size of the previous candle, indicates that the bullishness has diminished. But yes, if it trades about 12,050, certainly we can expect third bullish candle too. At the same time, it has the potential to erase all the gains till this zone and then potentially trade with the bearish momentum. We will be cautious and observant till here. The directional movement is bullish and divergent. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. But see, MACD overbought here, stochastic overbought here. It does mean that see, it has sustained these overbought levels for a little long. And if it sustains this here, certainly it is going to be a bull run again. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, a flat close and a little lower highs. That is what we had seen so far. Also look at the previous highs. It has given you lower highs from the previous high what it has seen, and hence right now it is trying to pull back a little. Now how far it can pull back? Now compare this candle with this candle. You can find out on the daily charts. See, a breakout, consolidation, another breakout, and it also means that there could it could sustain this bullish momentum for a little while, because this is the first breakout candle. It can follow up with the second or third breakout candle or greener candles again. We need to be a little bit cautious and observant here. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. It is crossed over again for the buys. RSI trading flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 12. Now see, in fact, even if it has to give a green candle, even if it has to rise, it can try to get a pullback, create a tail out there, and hence a potential tilt towards 11,970, 11,950, 900 cannot be denied. But till Nasdaq 100 trades above 11,800 should not be considered this as bearish. Below 11,800, 840 zone only, we can expect that it is trying to erase the gains. Hence, till then, we need to remain cautious. Yes, you can potentially sell at 12,000, expect 11,970, 950, 920, 840, 800 levels as the targets. But till 11,800, do not consider this as bearish. Potentially of bouncing back exists. On the upside, beyond 12,050, you can take a confirmed bullish entry for 12,100 and then 12,180. 200 levels cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, should join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts in first week of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can benefit. Now, look at the hourly charts on Dow Jones, 34,600 acting as a wall here. But see, a smaller movements on the downside, it means it is just trying to cool down the indicators and potentially it has the potential for it to reverse. So see, couple of bullish candles, a little retracement, and then again it may try to act bullish, potential exist. Directional movement divergent bullish, stochastic overbought and looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD, this is trying to converge here. This is already bullish, overbought. So overbought on the hourly charts, overbought on the 2-hour charts. Similar observation. The new candle has just started. Potentially it may try to take it till towards 34,400, which is a major support. And below 34,400, you can expect 34,200 and below levels. Directional movement divergent bullish, stochastic overbought here. And if you look at the MACD, this is extremely divergent, extremely bullish. RSI looking upwards. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Though it is showing you a reversal here, it is trying to get a pullback. 34,400 is going to act as a major support. Same bullish, overbought, bullish and overbought. That is what we can see on all the charts and all the indicators. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, overbought. But look at the MACD, this is just crossed over. Yes, it has seen the highest, probability exists that it may try to start converging or stay stable here. RSI overbought again. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, only by confirmation is if it trades above 34,600. Yes, even if it has to rise, it has to create a base, it has to create a tail and then potentially rise. 34,600 appears to be a good level for you to buy and then expect it to achieve the highs. 35,000 is the next target. If it continues to trade, stay above this zone. 35,000 levels cannot be denied there. Directional movement divergent in bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish. The only thing is the MACD which is trading bearish, but it is also looking forward to a crossover on the buy side. So in fact, as we saw earlier in the weekly analysis, potential for it to drop exists. It has dropped slightly, but again trying to look upwards and maybe achieving higher highs. There is a potential for it to continue with the bearish momentum. Right now it is not showing the signs of a bearishness. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, yes, above 34,600 you can buy and below 34,500 you can expect a little more drop till towards 34,400 levels, which is going to be a major support. And then below that, if it drops, 34,320, 200 levels are the next targets. Only below 34,200 confirm this that it is trying to drop more and it may uh, trade with the bearish bias. Only if it sustains below 34,200, you can expect 34,100, 34,000 and below that again a good crash cannot be denied there. So take your positions accordingly. Buy above 600, sell below 34,500 levels. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and trading day ahead. Thank you.